So these look at the log trusses, what we're doing. We made a jig for it, as you can see, about 2x4s. We got a 12-12 pitch, which means it's 90 degrees because of the snow load. And what you do, turn your logs to a nice parallel side. Your 2x4. Do that in both logs. And then line up your square best you can on the 45. Again, it's not perfect when you build with logs. You gotta take what you got. And they're really not what you call the dimensional lumber, but they work. Then once you get them marked off, then you'll take a chainsaw to them. After you get it marked up, the biggest thing is you really want to keep your bar perpendicular to the ground so you get the same angle on both. You just notch them up with 45. Slide them together for the final finish. A lot of times when you get used to this stuff, you'll actually get this in the first attempt. As you can see here, there's no gap whatsoever. And once you get the hang of keeping the bar angle the same each way coming down, and it was off just a hair, you can actually run a chainsaw down through here, touching both edges, and get it lined up absolutely perfect. Now we just screw it together. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to put screws in across here each way. We have these nice 3/16 steel brackets. They're actually going to hold it really good. We got one hole in the center here for the center post going up. That's why you keep your fingers out of the way. You actually have to hold it to keep it sliding on the ice. So once you get the first one in, life is good. Push too hard, the log starts sliding out of position on you. And once we get this mounted up there, we're going to put a second bracket on the back side, but it makes it a lot easier to have your center post on there. Try to get as close as you can to making it flat once it's up. Whether timber's a help or a nuisance. Today, anyway. Logs look a little smaller, but actually black spruce. They're really tough stuff. And that's all there is to making your basic truss. You'll have to fit it on top once we get it up there, but right now it's good and solid enough to move around. The other thing we're doing is we're making these trusses too. We'll take the very peak up there and put a plumb bob on it. Measure dead center here. As you see, these are all marked. And that'll keep you, at least the peak anyway, nice and straight and ready to go. Solve a lot of problems later, just adjust it as you go. This will kind of give you an idea how the trusses are getting installed. That's why I'll put one bracket on and put the second one on afterwards. It's kind of hard to see from here, but they're actually notched in. Anyway, that's a quick look at that. How you make these little suckers.